and I'm going to show you how to create a trip post. You first go to your list of trips. What is the first tab on the tab bar? In that list we see one trip and we click that. That trip hasn't started yet, but we do see a cover image and we see a map. We can scroll down, but there are no posts. Now on the top right corner we see a plus button. We can press that and then a dialog appears where we can enter data. We can write our story. For instance, we just arrived. The location is appearing. Now the locations are so that it's only using the location when you're using the app. So there's no background tracking, but you can still store the location. We could optionally click on that and we get some nearby locations to choose from, but we leave it on the default for now. And we can also add some images to this post. So let's choose this image where we have the cover image of Going Walkabout. And now we can save this and the trip post appears in our trip. It is nicely dated and it is showing where it has been taken. This way you can build up your whole story. Now continue going using Walkabout, go on a trip and have fun.